Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C of C Clean Crochet. So guys, today's tutorial is very easy to make. You just make a chain and put it around you, and that will be your base chain. Okay, and you can use any stitch for this work. Okay, make sure that your stitches are textured enough to make it more beautiful. Okay, so you chain and you put it around you, and after chaining 60, yeah, this is what I have. I'm making this for a small size person. So next of all, I chain one, and in the first I make a double crochet. Okay, so because we want our double crochet to closely be together, we are going to join our double crochets. Okay, so we don't want any gaps to show in our work. So you put your hook right by the side of your first double crochet, you yarn over and pull through to get 2 loops. You, instead of yarning over, you just put your hook to the next stitch hole, then you pull through to get 3 loops. Okay, so you pull through 2 and you pull through the last 2. Okay, let's do that again. You indicate the middle part of the double crochet that you have created. There's a small loop over here, yeah. Then you pull your yarn through like this. You look for the next stitch hole, you pull through, okay, to get 3 loops. You pull through 2 and you pull through 2. Okay, so always make sure that you put your hook by the small loops in the middle like this. After the first, second, third stitches, the row of loops will be there for you to easily see it. So you put through the loop here, you yarn over, put through to get 2 loops, then into the next stitch hole, you yarn over, you pull through 2 and you pull through 2. So let's do this throughout. This is a kind of double crochet, but we are joining the double crochets so that there will be no spaces between them. So let's do that. Yeah, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like and a hype, and maybe comment below. Yeah, okay, so that's it. So we are going to do this throughout the work till we get to the end of our work. Then we are going to chain 1, turn our work and do the same thing. So always, the trick here is always the first double crochet that you make is a normal double crochet that we know. Okay, then the rest of the stitches you join them. Okay, so let's do that till we get to the end of our work. And guys, at the end, this is what we have. You chain 1 and you turn your work. Okay, so yeah, so always the first sticks the normal double crochet, then right by the side you pull through, then in the stitch hole you pull through to get 3 loops. Okay, so you continue with this throughout. Okay, so when we get to the end too, we are going to come back again like that, and till we get to right under our best. So this one we started from below the outfit. Okay, so we go to it is long enough to get under our breast. Okay, so or by our best. Okay, so when we get there, we will increase so that your breast can easily fit at the top. Okay, so we continue and continue until guys you get this one. So after several rows, this is what I have. Anyway, I'm using a 4.50 mm hook and a yarn of number 4, yeah, a medium size. Okay, so with the increment on every 5th stitch hole, you make an increment, or you make 2 double crochet into those fifth stitch holes. Okay, so on the fifth you make 2 instead of 1 double crochet. Then you count again on the fifth stitch hole, you make 2 double crochets. Then like that, on the fifth you make another 2 double crochets. And always remember to always join your stitches. Okay, so you can see that our stitches are tightly joined together. So after increment on that row, this is what you have. So only on that row, that is where we made the increment. The rest goes to the normal 1 double crochet in each of the stitch holes. Remember that it's only that row that we made that increment. Okay, so at the end you see that your work has increased at the top. You fold it like this and you put your zipper if you like, or string or anything to so that you'll be able to successfully wear this dress. So this is the upper way, the upper dress. Now we're going to make another one for the bow. Okay, this is okay. So with the same stitches you make your chain, and you can also use any stitch that you want. Okay, so you can use the Elizabeth stitch for this work. Also gives this textured closely knit crochet together kind of thing, so you can use it. So I'll make a chain, and this chain also, it depends on you. So the longer the chain, the bigger your bow is going to be. Okay, or your bow is going to be. So you make it short, it becomes shorter or small. Okay, so let's make it bigger, and with the same stitches that we did previously, the first gets the first normal double crochet, rows. So guys, after several rows, this is what this is our main work, and this is what we also made. Okay, so the main work, this is the size of it, then across this is what we also have. Okay, now the other one that we just made, this is it, and horizontally this is what you have. Okay, so you can make it bigger or smaller, depends on you. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to create a design. This one will come on top of it like this. Okay, so first let's work with the main work, our tube. Okay, so you just put your finger somewhere here. We are going to make a hole, fold it into 3. Okay, so like on each, you put your finger there to fold it. So just make sure it is in the middle of your work. Put your finger there like this. Okay, with the first fold, then the top you fold it, and the bottom too you fold it to make a shape of 3. So like this. Okay, so we are going to use our thread and needle to fix it. this one too, but this time it's going to be the whole work. Okay, so 3 like this. Okay, so in the middle you fold it, and at the side too you fold it to be like this. Okay, so this one too, you use your thread in the middle. Make sure it's right in the middle of your work. Just join them, make sure that the folds are joined together. Guys, when you are done, you make your chain and just normal double crochets. We are going to use it to wrap around the middle part of our work. So you chain it, and as you're chaining, just measure, and you make double crochets to just wrap around it like this. Yep. So I'm making 2 rows of double crochets for it. Just your normal double crochets, you don't need to join them. Okay, our bow is done. Now you're going to put it on the tube like this. Then you use your thread and needle to fix it from behind. Okay, tightly fix it from behind. Guys, our work is done. Now you can fix your zipper at the back of your work, and it's so simple to make. You can make this in any color of your choice, and this is for your Valentine. You can also make chains to just for your arm in case you don't want it sleeveless. Okay, so guys, isn't this so simple and easy to make? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a hype, comment below, and turn on your notification. And I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial. Bye.